Today we're trying to find the best place to eat in Hoi An. I think. Well, let's go.
What's up, guys? Welcome. Right now we're in DaNang, and we at this fancy, well not fancy but kind of decent restaurant. We're gonna try that specialty because apparently this place gets really popular because of their goiku. You can do like the pig and the roast duck, and the spring roll is not like, it's different. See? If you ever eat like a Vietnamese spring roll, it's not like that kind of noodle. It's different kind of. It's like really crunchy, and it don't come with noodle. It come with rice paper, the one you get at Korean barbecue. But that's why I got. First thing I got is a lucky noodle. This one I had got shrimp, beef, a little egg, and a little noodle in it. Browse in here. Don't use your hand though. Take the little. Okay, first, it tastes like the hủ tiếu I got in the first episode of Let's Eat. Similar to it, it's just smaller, like different kind of noodle and a different kind of ingredient in it, like different protein in it, but I can say it's really good. Alright, so now we're trying their specialty, the handmade spring roll. Not the one like the Vietnamese one, well, with a little bit up north, so it can be different. So I got the sauce already. The sauce is in here. It's like a stinky sauce. I don't know how to describe it, but that's the best way I can tell you. Stinky. A little spicy too. So now we're gonna do it. Just a little paper right here. So see, like I said, it's different. Not flat. It's really crunchy. Okay, right. Now we'll try a little rice noodle. See, this is the thing you can get at a Korean place. Little noodle. It's good already. I'm gonna try the roasted duck first. Try this roasted duck. Not too much. Get a little spin sprout. I'm gonna use my hand, make it go faster. I'm not no professional, rolling thingy. No, I don't smoke. You get the joke? Okay, so I'm gonna roll it. Don't laugh if my roll is bad, okay? Oh, good enough. Now you dip with this stinky sauce. This is very good. This tastes the spring roll with just like the rice right over here. It's more crunchy, so that's the best way I can describe it. So, don't laugh at me. Let's continue now. This is good. Alright, so now we just have the duck. Now I'm gonna try the Now we try the pig. So I hope the pig is like as good as the duck. Same thing. So far this is delicious. How your day going, guys? My day going well. Hope you guys enjoy watching my show, I do my best to describe it. Not professionally, but the best. Give me a little pig right here. Big chunk too. Remind me of briskets. The Korean briskets. Some lettuce. With some of these. Alright, I think that's good enough. A little more of these. Let me try to make it more like professional for you guys. So you want to look at that. Yes. Now this is roll. It's raining outside. I can hear it, but we're inside. I like this kind of view. I sit down, eat, with the local, with the Vietnamese people. Really enjoy this. If you ever go to Vietnam, y'all, I suggest you go to the local places, eat. But all this description right here will be on the link below. All the location, what it's at, what district, everything gonna be below, and how much the price and everything costs. Okay, let's begin with this. This one is better than the duck. The reason is because the duck, I think they overcooked this a little bit, so it's not like it's crunchy. But this one, when you bite to it, really soft. It's tender in your mouth and like kind of melt in your mouth. Well done, me. Getting prop with this little noodle thingy outside. Like I said earlier, it's good. Oh man, it's hit. One more. Yeah, so that was the spring roll, the Vietnamese, well, the up north Da Nang version of it. I dig it, I like it a lot, but I still cannot find my perfect fry yet in Vietnam. Still searching for that one meal. But I hope you like the video, you know. Hope you subscribe, click the bell button, you know. If you enjoyed the video, you know, leave me a comment. I think that's about it. But if you go to Vietnam, you can try it out, you know. You don't have to take my word for it though. Just eat. Just eat. Just eat. Cut it off.